Testimony today in the evidentiary hearing for Donald Smith revealed that he blamed his 8-year-old victim for what he did to her. Smith was convicted of kidnapping, raping, and murdering Cherish Periwinkle in 2013. He's back in court now asking for a new trial, and he's saying his former attorneys did not represent him effectively. This is the second and final day of the hearing. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker was inside the courtroom. Marilyn, we noticed Rain Periwinkle, Cherish's mother, was not there in court today.
That's right, she wasn't. She told us it was just too hard for her to come back after yesterday's proceedings. Now today, we actually learned that Donald Smith showed remorse at one point, but then turned around and blamed the victim, saying he was angry at this little girl for getting in his van and mad at her for putting him in that position. In 1977, the state of Florida identified Donald Smith as a mentally disturbed sex offender. At one point, he was noted as a danger to children and shouldn't have unsupervised contact with them, and was terminated from an offender program because he refused to participate.
Or did you consider this information as red flags in your work about his dangerousness? Yes, I did.
State Attorney Melissa Nelson herself called forensic psychologist Dr. Heather Holmes, who Smith's former attorneys called during his trial. There was a 2006 Department of Children and Families evaluation of Smith diagnosing him of paraphilia, was sexually attracted to young girls, had cocaine dependence, and an antisocial personality disorder. Holmes had a similar diagnosis of Smith and believed he was a sociopath that should have been moved to civil commitment but wasn't. The goal of her testimony back then, at the direction of Smith's defense attorney, was to highlight failures in the system that allowed Smith to walk free.
Her belief was she needs one juror and only one. And so even if you dislike Donald Smith and you dislike what he did, she was hoping that somebody would understand on that jury that the state of Florida made the error by not locking him up when they had all of the information and resources to do so.
Smith's defense attorneys revisited how Dr. Holmes knew Smith was raped and at one point expressed remorse for what he did.
Would you not then consider those mental health conditions to be mitigating?
So the way the statute is written, I didn't feel like the two main statutes were met by the conditions he has. The crack cocaine use, that's voluntary. So would that have impacted his ability to control himself on the night that this happened? Absolutely. But again, that was something that he elected to do.
The defense asked if Holmes told Smith's former attorneys her opinions of him being a sociopath. She said yes, telling the court they put her on the stand knowing that risk. But remember, their whole argument now is Smith's trial attorneys were ineffective. So what happens next? Well, the defense has opted for a written closing argument as opposed to presenting it in court. So once they get the transcripts from yesterday and today, they have 30 days to submit a written closing argument, and then the state has 15 days after that to submit their rebuttal. After that, the judge will write down her ruling and decision in this case, and we'll bring that to you on news4jax.com once it is available. Reporting live at the Duval County Courthouse tonight, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.
Marilyn, thanks.